Video-based assessment tests are becoming increasingly common in the hiring process for healthcare jobs. These tests involve watching videos that simulate real work situations and require you to respond to specific questions or scenarios. Here are some tips to help you prepare for a video-based assessment test for a healthcare job. Review the job requirements. Reflect on the specific skills, knowledge, and qualities required for the healthcare position you are applying for. Consider how these requirements may be relevant in the context of the video scenarios you will encounter. Analyze the situations. After watching each video, take a moment to analyze the situation and understand the underlying issues or challenges. Consider the different perspectives, ethical considerations, and potential consequences of various actions. Consider your role. Identify the role you would play in each video scenario. Determine whether you are acting as a healthcare professional, a team member, a patient advocate, or any other relevant role. This will help you frame your responses in alignment with the appropriate role. Take notes. If permitted, take brief notes during or after watching each video to capture key details, potential solutions, or points you want to address in your responses. These notes can serve as a helpful reference when formulating your answers. Practice effective communication. Video-based assessments often require you to respond verbally or in writing. Practice expressing your thoughts clearly and concisely, using appropriate language and tone. Focus on effective communication skills, both in terms of content and delivery. Consider ethical and professional guidelines. Reflect on the ethical and professional guidelines relevant to the healthcare profession. Apply these principles to the video scenarios, ensuring your responses align with industry standards and best practices. Reflect on personal experiences. Draw upon your own experiences in healthcare or other relevant fields to inform your responses. Consider situations where you have faced similar challenges or dilemmas and reflect on how you handled them. Use these experiences to guide your decision-making and response formulation. Remember, video-based assessment tests aim to evaluate your ability to apply your knowledge, skills, and judgment in realistic work scenarios. By understanding the purpose, analyzing the situations, practicing effective communication, and drawing upon your own experiences, you can enhance your performance in video-based assessment tests for healthcare jobs.